not gonna show too much because y'all trying to get demonetized or anything. But you get the vibes. Valentine's Day vibe, you feel me?
I don't need nobody else but me. It doesn't matter what you're gonna say. I just need time right now. I'm going alone tonight.
What's up, you guys, and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new, hi, I'm Cinn, and welcome to my channel. And in today's video, we're going to be doing a get ready with me for Valentine's Day. Y'all, Valentine's Day is literally tomorrow, and I'm about to just get cute as fuck. So I'm about to do my hair, do like a light beat on the face. Y'all, I did my eyebrows today. That's how they came out. But they gonna look good as hell when like I do my makeup. But yeah, so hair, makeup, I'm gonna do my nails, put on a cute outfit, do a photo shoot. Yeah, we about to do all of that. So let's go and get started. I'm gonna start by doing my hair. I done showered, all the other stuff, like body care type stuff. Y'all gonna have to excuse the fact that like I don't have a wax. It's just I can't get to just it's a thing. Sooner or later I get waxed. Don't worry about that. But like I said, we're gonna go ahead and get started. Let me show you guys the wig. So this is she got the little red on the side. I'm not gonna really film me like installing the wig. I'll link a few of my videos where like it's like a tutorial of me showing you the install. And y'all don't come for my headphones, y'all. These are my what I call them? These are my iPods. These are my iPods, okay? I got them from Dollar Tree, and they work pretty fine for what I need them for. So basically, like while I'm installing and stuff, I'm gonna be watching TV on my phone. I'm watching Love and Hip Hop Atlanta over on Netflix. I'm already on season 2. This shit is crazy as hell to watch. Okay, so I'm about to try it over. I think that okay, this is what we're giving. Okay. I need to put some makeup on the lace, but we're just gonna go ahead and jump into me doing the install. So I cut the ends blunt because y'all, I ordered this wig from AliExpress. I don't even know if I'll link it because it feels very synthetic blend, but it looks very good on camera. Okay. So y'all, Logan's here. Just know Logan's here. But I'm about to go ahead and get into this install. I forgot what I was talking about before, but like I said, don't go for my earphones. I'm watching Love and Hip Hop, vibing out. Just watch me do my hair. I think that's what I was talking about. Yeah, this is from AliExpress. It's kind of like a synthetic blend for real. Oh shit. Yeah, scared the hell out of me. But yeah, I'm about to go ahead and get into the install. So y'all, my mom had called me and she just thought it would be so cute to talk about my iPods, but it's okay because like I said, they do what I need, they work. But she was just calling them big and stuff, and she really had no right to do that. But anyway, y'all, this is not a tutorial. This is, you know, just me here doing my hair. We vibing out, we talking, we whatever. But I will come in and tell, like, you know, some stuff I did, like here, me cutting the ear tabs out and whatnot. I put some makeup on top of the lace. Because, y'all, this wig right here, AliExpress really played. But I'm not even really that mad because it still turned out cute. The hair is still soft and stuff. It still worked. It's just the point that when I ordered it, the description of the wig was like HD lace, like, you know, 100% human hair, like greatness. And this wig come feeling like this. Like, y'all, I had this wig for over a year and just never wore it because I was just like, what is this? Like, I knew I would never wear it straight. So I did one curl it and it came out, you know, the look that I had wanted. I wanted some sexy wand curls for Valentine's Day, and then the fact that I had already bleached red streak in it, and, you know, Valentine's Day. So it just came together. It worked. Y'all see Logan back there playing in my shower? Back just getting all wet. Cause I had just took a shower and he want to crawl through the shower. Jeez. But yeah. So yeah, I'm just sticking this wig into this glue. So this is a new glue that I'm trying from Amazon. And so far I like it. I really do. It's a little different from the last glue that I used, but so far it's giving that it's gonna make the installs last a little longer. And so here I'm cutting the lace, and I cut it in like mini sections so that then I can go into those sections, add a little glue. Like, yeah, I really like took my time on this install, and you could probably really tell. But I took my time. Like, I really went in section by section. I do wish that I would have used like maybe a shade darker of makeup. I feel like the makeup is a little too light, but even though this is like the same foundation that I've used for like years, so I don't know why it looked lighter, but I feel like it's also it got to be the lace. This is not like true HD. It definitely look good. Like, I can't take from it. It gets the job done, but it's just not what it claimed to be. Like, y'all, when I was selling hair, I had true HD lace, like HD, okay? And not that HD that like it's easy to tear. Like, no, it was durable. Y'all, I burnt the hell out of my ear right there. Like, the hell, that shit was crazy. But yeah, like, like real, like this is your skin HD. But we ain't gonna get into that. This is the way we got. And it, like I said, it gets the job done. And I think, and when I first ordered it, I feel like it was supposed to be 30 inches, 13 by 4 HD, I believe. And like I said, I cut it blunt. I added a red streak in it. Really, I added that red streak. I want to see if the hair will bleach. Because I just, like I said, I'm like, this got to be a synthetic blend. Like, I don't know what's going on. But here we are. I'm finally done cutting all the lace off and adding the glue to the edges. So now I'm using this mousse. And I've been trying to get into mousse baby hairs. I like it better now. I don't want no fluffy baby hairs. I want them to my head so that the install lasts a little longer. And then, yeah, I realized I had the baby hair too long, so I had to go and cut it. I really wish I would have cut it shorter to begin with, because that had just threw me off a little bit. But I still made it work. I still wish that I kind of would have cut it a little more to make it a layered baby hair, but whatever. No, actually, it's not this one. It's going to be the other side. That's the one I wish I would have did a little different. But, yeah. So, now I'm about to head on to the other side. This is the one that I was talking about when I said I wish I would have, like, layered it a little more for, like, a certain look. But it still came out. It still came out cute. With it just gave a look. Like, it just gave a vibe. You're going to see at the end. So, now I'm taking this melting spray, and I sprayed it across the lace to help kind of melt it. But like I said, I really needed a darker makeup, a darker, like, foundation. But here I'm tying a strip. Then I'm putting a band across the strip. And I'm going to literally let this sit the entire time that I do everything else. So now I'm just going through, because like I like to flatten my wigs on the mannequin head, but then when I put it on my head, I'm going to like flatten it to my personal head shape. So yeah, now that is done. This is the install. Yes, ma'am. Okay, so now I'm about to do my eyeliner and like my eyes. I kind of want to do something cute, but we gonna see. Now, when it comes to this eye makeup, I was just really playing. So I didn't really show nothing or anything. I just was like, I'm going to try to explain what I'm doing. So basically, first what I did was take like a brown shade, and I put that into my crease. And then I mixed that with like a deep burgundy color, because I knew that I was going to do a shade of either red or pink or something. So I was like, okay, I kind of want a deep crease, but I want it to be like a brownish reddish kind of color. Then I looked into this palette that I'm using right here, The Secret of Pharaoh. I think it's by Juvia's Place. I could be wrong, I don't know. But yeah, I'm using that and using a like pink shimmery shade as my base. And I would have used a concealer to cut the crease, but y'all, I was just like, I'm not about to sit here and try to do all that. I'm not doing that. And it was late too. I was like, I'm not about to do that. So now I'm just cleaning up for my wing. Yeah, I didn't do the wing and the eyeliner. I mean, damn, the eyelashes on the camera. I don't know why. I just didn't. But yeah, it came out really, really cute when your girl put the liner and lashes on. But here we go. Bow melted. You see that? You already know. Yeah, it looks so good. So I'm taking a little concealer to give myself a nice little curved part. Yes, did good. Then I started fucking up. Just had to keep doing stuff. Yeah, I was on some high stuff, and I went around the part, and it made it look funny to me, but whatever, it still looked good. So yeah, I'm just going through doing some minor little touch ups, and I don't even know what I'm about to do next. Oh, okay, I'm doing my eyebrows. So yeah, I was practicing on myself with like the tinting and stuff or whatever, and I didn't do it exactly how I would want my eyebrows to be done. But yeah, it made it 10 times easier to do my eyebrows. Like y'all, I really barely feel my eyebrows in for real. Look at this. Literally, I just went through and like darken my top line, darken my bottom line, and boom, there go the eyebrows. Like yeah. So I know the next time I do it, I done learned some new techniques and some things and what went wrong. So yeah, and then here I'm just doing my lip. No wait, what am I doing? Oh, I'm cleaning up my eyebrow. Yeah, what am I talking about? So I'm cleaning up the bottom of my eyebrow, making it look more defined. Yeah, my eyebrows look really good, and I feel like too it matched the look because they wasn't too bold. They still look kind of natural. So I like it. I like the vibe that it's giving. It's giving like super sexy girl next door. Like when you just got that fine ass neighbor next door, and she just be looking good for no reason. That's me. So here's the lips. The lips was just a brown lip liner, and then a little pink gloss in the middle. And usually I deepen up the middle to make it a little dark, but I actually liked it being that light. I feel like it matched the eyeshadow. But yeah, so now I'm looking at the full look together. Y'all, your girl looks cute and sexy. Okay? Dolled up. Yes, ma'am. Alright, y'all. So we about to get dressed so that I can take some cute pictures. I'm gonna take them kind of like mirror style. Y'all gonna see. Real cute. But let me put on the outfit. Alright, y'all. So now I'm about to put on my Valentine's Day nails. And then I'll come back with the final look. So this is the final look. I got the nails on. They're about to come off. I just needed them for content purposes. The hair, the makeup, which is really not makeup, but just enough to give it a little pop. Then of course the fit. I'm not gonna show too much because I'm not trying to get demonetized or anything. But you get the vibes. Valentine's Day vibe, you feel me? Yeah. So this is the end of the video. If you guys enjoyed, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. If you would like more of these like get ready with me videos, but like more in depth, maybe a little slow down, talk through, whatever, I can work on that for you guys. If you guys like the look, let me know down below. This is really my everyday look besides I have no like face makeup on. And this is naturally how I do my hair. Like I said, if you want an in-depth tutorial on my hair, I'll link a few videos down below. But yeah, this is Cinn signing off. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Hopefully, I will see you guys in the next one. This is Cinn signing off. I feel like it's on my teeth. This is Cinn signing off.